position here, okay, with that knee out. It's posted out, it gives you a lot more stability when you're leaning on here. Feel that, is that better? Does that feel more comfortable? Okay? And go ahead and take a shot right there. This is like high compressed rate of shooting, okay?
My arm's too short.
You feel the click? That's your trigger reset.
Oh.
Okay, your gun has this. Go ahead and pull the trigger again. Release it until it clicks again. Lay down. All the way back. Okay. 10 crunches, go. Okay. All right. Take your shot. Find a target that you can hit. There you go. Good. All right, now kick back. You're going to lay down prone. Go. With the, get your legs all the way back. You're going to lay prone.
Turn around this way.
Yep. Superman position. Superman position. Okay, we good? What I want you guys to do is go ahead and take your shots with 2 hands first. Go. Okay, switch hands. So it's right hand forward and extend the gun hand. Take your shots. Okay, we're good? All right. Again. Left hand forward. Right hand, bring the gun up and take your shots. Okay, good. Now switch hands. Take your shot. The reason for this, you're shooting under a truck or a car. That's all the space you have. And that's all you can shoot. All right? You guys ready?
Ready.
Go! Take your shot. Double hands, 2 hands, 2 hands. Switch hands to the other side. Left. This is why you're here, okay? You're doing this to see what is most comfortable for you, so that when you in a real actual situation, you go down, you know what's most comfortable for you, what you can do.